beautiful. Well, the wind up here is unreal right now, man. So, we're gonna head up to Cripple Creek because the road's looking really good, and it's a lot safer going this way than going up through Fluorescent. So, if somehow the weather breaks, which is kind of going in and out of the sun, maybe we'll go up to Cripple Creek, then we'll go check that out real quick, and then we'll fall down on the backside. But it's going to depend a lot on the weather here, because of this severe storm. And man, it's just one big storm after another here in Colorado, man. Just one after another. We're getting all the snow and all the moisture. So, but this road looks pretty good right now. It looks a lot better going this way than probably the other way. And so we'll get that, and we'll kind of play it by ear. And if we can get fishing in the afternoon, we'll do that, because that's when the fish are biting anyhow. So, as you can see, 24 degrees, so it's brutal, man. Yeah, the roads are real nice, man. Taking care of business up here. Thank you, snowplowers. Whoever you may be, you got some skills, man. Do your job well. Looks like Minnesota. This is how Alaska looks too. Getting some water. There's a water station right there for the locals, so they can get potable water. It may not be potable, it may be clean, but I think it might be potable too, I'm not sure. But yeah, look at that low-hanging ceiling there. That is awesome. Beautiful up here, man. And then right in front of us is one of the world's largest gold mines. Amazing. So much work went into that mine. Farmhouse. Yeah, this has been nice coming up here. Nothing really on the roads too much, so. Oh, the backside looks like it got good snow, though. Uh-oh. You can't even see Cripple Creek. Holy cannoli. That's so awesome. Wow. Wow. Out in the wilderness. So that's that video I did, Molly Catherine video. Look at the steam coming off the road, man. That is cool. Is it raining? Hailing, raining, something. Yeah, this mine right here, man, this is a cool mine. Very cool. And of course, you know, the museum's very cool as well. Been up in there a couple times. Wow. Look at this. This is sick. You probably got better. You're probably seeing it better than I am, man. It is just a fog out, man. Wow. Wow. This is cool. Good old Cripple Creek, man. We're here. Beautiful day up in the high country today, though. Just in that short time, I think I was out here for like maybe an hour. The weather looks like it's opening up over at Adamans, so thinking, heck, you know, let's go back over to Adamans, because the snow's tapering off and looks like the sun's gonna come out. So let me show you what I'm talking. Get on with the getting on. Get this fishing day on. Man, it's supposed to get beautiful, probably. It's going to be nice. Hopefully the wind's low. Look at that. Oh, man. That's going to be sick. Wow, man, it is sweet up in here. Sun's getting out. Finally out of the clouds. Nice. Let's see if we can catch a trout. That is just so sweet, man. Nice cabin up there, man. Whoa. mamas are loving that heat, man. Come on, son. Get it on. Making some single tracks out there. Some single tracks.